Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion to organize a tech event. To start, create a new workspace in Notion. This is your primary hub where all event-related information and tasks will be stored. This step is crucial because it helps you stay organized and keep all necessary data in one place. Next up, establish your main pages within the workspace. Think of these as your event's pillars: sponsors, attendees, agenda, and so on. The reason we do this is to categorize different aspects of the event, making it easier to manage and navigate through. Now that we've done that, it's time to utilize Notion's versatile blocks. Create tables for attendees, toggle lists for agenda items, embed files from sponsors. The possibilities are endless. This helps us because it allows for a dynamic and interactive event planning environment, ensuring you have all your required data at your fingertips. Then, use Notion's sharing function to collaborate with your team. This is done by clicking on Share at the top right and inviting your team members. This matters because teamwork is key in event planning, and Notion allows for seamless collaboration. Finally, ensure that you track progress and update information regularly. Notion's easy updates and notification system will aid in this. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Regular updates keep your team informed, reduce confusion, and ensure smooth execution of the event. To wrap up, Notion, with its organized workspaces, dynamic blocks, and collaborative features, can be a powerful tool for planning a tech event. Remember to keep your workspace updated and leverage Notion's features to their fullest. That's all for today. Until next time, keep planning and stay organized.